angels, welcome back to my channel. Hello and welcome if you're joining me for the first time. My name's Tara and I post makeup tutorials and things like that here on my channel. So if that's something that tickles your fancy, then please hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell and join the family. So guys, in today's video, I've collaborated again with a bunch of lovely ladies to bring you this St. Patrick's Day Leprechaun vomit up on my face look. And I've collaborated with the bunch of ladies that I collaborated with last month for Valentine's Day. We're going to be bringing quite a lot of collaborations each month, so one each month for a different kind of holiday. So look forward to that coming here on my channel. And I'm just going to tell you the ladies that I'm collaborating with. So I'm also collaborating with Afoma from Afoma.O, Amanda from minsbeauty, Candace from Candace Hampton, Rachael from Rae Young, Rachael, Pixie, Rae, MUA, Lisa, the Curvy Cuban, Shelly Shellacka, and myself, and Tiffanie, TJMarksBB. So please be sure to show them some love, go and watch their videos and show them some love. And yeah, so if you'd like to see how I created this look today, then please keep on watching and I will see you in the next video, guys. Enjoy. So to start off, guys, I have no idea what I'm really going to do for this video. This wig is like something else. I don't know if I'm pulling it off okay, but it's really not the one, to be honest, but it's just what this video needs. So to start off with, I'm just going to use some of these foam letters and spell the word out lucky for lucky leprechaun. And the next thing I'm going to do is put on some foundation, and I'm just going to use a really light foundation. So this one is the L'Oreal True Match. Then I'm going to go in with the Revolution, the Conceal and Define Infinite Concealer. This is one of their new concealers. I have been using this and I absolutely love this concealer. And this I'm going to use the James Charles palette to do my brows with, and I'm going to use this dark green down here. I quite like them like that. I'm not going to permanently wear green eyebrows though, but they're looking okay. Let's just give them a little brush through with the spoolie. I'm going to use a eyelash glue, but I'm going to use it just above my brows. And I'm just going to pop random splodges of glitter glue just above the brow. And then I have this little glitter pot. So this is from Paint Glow. Oh, it actually says, I really did not even intend for this, but it actually says Lucky Leprechaun on the back. That was literally unintentional. This is chunky holographic glitter. So I wouldn't necessarily put that on the eyes, but on the face it's fine. So I'm just going to put this Lucky Leprechaun glitter on the top of my eyebrows. So, right, if I can actually get my words out. So these collaboration videos are going to be happening once a month. And I'm going to be collaborating with these absolutely amazing, talented ladies, like every single month. So we're going to bring you all different kinds of looks. So we're going to bring an Easter look. And all different kinds of looks like that. So I'm really excited. I've got so many looks that I want to do, and I feel so inspired. But like I say, I did have a meltdown this week with my computer. and I thought that I was never going to be able to do, I mean, I went so dramatic. I thought I was never going to do YouTube again, and I was so upset. And then I took a breather, I sorted my computer out, I sorted my life out, and I'm back. So I am so happy. Little rant over. I'm going to use my P. Louise base to prep my eyes for the eyeshadow. I absolutely love this. I didn't when I first got it because I didn't know really how to use it properly. I probably still don't, but I feel like for me, it's okay. I'm going to do a bit of a wing, and I'm going to use this eyeliner pencil. So this is the Give Them La La Beauty, and I got this in a beauty box. I think it's the Rocker box. So I'm going to use my little eyeliner from Maybelline. It's the Master Ink eyeliner pen. Eyeliner, so I'm just going to use that because the other eyeliner I did not like one little bit. So the lashes that I'm going to put on are these are the magnetic lashes, and I got these off eBay for about £9.99, something like that. So I'm just going to pop these on now. I'm going to pop on some of the Boohoo Cosmo highlighter because I just think that is just absolutely stunning. To use a green to contour, and I think I'm going to use this green in here, which is the EYN Bright palette, and this is from Beauty Bay. These palettes are so affordable and so amazing. I love them. I'm going to use the shade Oasis and do a little bit of contour. I'm going to go into the shade Frosted Lime, which is this colour here, this lovely bright green, and I'm going to go across my nose with that as like a blush or something. So using my Galactic eyeliner pencil, so this is a gel eyeliner pencil, I'm going to go around the words lucky. Wish me luck, no pun intended. Okay, moment of truth, guys. Let's take these stickers off and see what we're left with. Not looking too bad at all, guys. So I'm going to use this collection Glam Crystals Dazzling Gel Liner, and it's a glitter liner, and I'm just going to pop a bit of glitter in the words lucky. So using the NYX white liquid eyeliner, I'm just going to put a little bit of highlighting on my face. going to line my lips using my cinnamon lip liner. Use this liquid lipstick from I Heart Revolution, and this is in the shade Siren, which is a nice bluey green colour. So I'm going to use this like confetti glitter, and I'm going to pop some glue on this little bit, and we're nearly done, guys. Interpretation of Leprechaun Vomit for St. Patrick's Day. I really love how this has turned out. It's just such a vomit basically. So if you did enjoy this video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up. It helps out my channel. And yeah, don't forget to show each and every single one of the girls in this collaboration some love. And until next time, stay beautiful, and I love you always.